Today is a stormy day. Let's look on the Weather Channel.
Please stand by. We are currently having technical difficulties due to the severe wind knocking debris into the outside setup.
Hey everyone. Today, that was a footbed. The camera fell over. Let's fix it. Sorry for the inconvenience. Anyways, today a derecho storm is coming. We currently have all of the following warnings in place. Derecho warning.
Flood advisory.
Tornado watch.
Small craft advisory.
Dense fog advisory.
Heavy damage warning.
Wow! That's so many warnings, advisories, and watches. Wait! Did I see something? Oh my god! It's a funnel cloud. Guys, we urge you people in Pembroke and Loretta to get to your basement immediately. Please keep a portable television with you.
Oh my god, I need to get to the basement now. It's freezing down here. That's the car alarm. Let's look on the portable TV.
Hello everyone. Today, as you may know, a tornado has recently destroyed Pembroke. If you live in Jaretta at the north end, northeast corner, northwest corner, or the northern outskirts, then chances are your house has been destroyed. We are currently releasing information regarding this major tornado. Here is a map of its current path. As you can see, the tornado is currently at upper EF5 strength, with wind speed of over 270 miles per hour, and it is 1 mile wide. Wait, the tornado is coming into our studio. Ah, dash.